Hi, welcome to Your Mentor YouTube channel. To get the government job, PhD admissions, work from home job, PGT, TGT and assistant professor job notifications, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Share, like and comment my videos. And in this video, we are going to see one official public notice released by the University Grants Commission. And regarding this notification is that the candidates who wants to apply for the JRF and the SRF, so you guys can apply now, and the window is open until 31st Jan 2022. Fine. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to this notification, and to get the more notifications like this, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Before going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, the educator of electronic science and the general paper 1. So the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next cycle, here the new batch course is going to start from October 27th onwards. So it is a paper 1 and electronic science course, guys. The interested candidates may take the subscription plan. So here you may check down. So whatever the subscription plan you want to take, you may use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, to get 10% discount. Coming to the present content of the video, so it is official website of the University Grants Commission. So in this one here we got one notification, guys, and that notification is regarding the application of the junior research fellowship and the senior research fellowship. So invitation for the applications for national fellowship for persons with disabilities, NFPWD, for the year 2021 to 22. Fine. And if you are looking for the NFOBC and the NFSC, then whenever the notifications released by the University Grants Commissions regarding this OBC and the SC, then immediately I will come up in my next video. Okay, so to get my videos as a notification, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And as per the NFPWD, total 200 slots will be there. Okay, with provision of the reservation of 15% for the SC and 7.5% for the scheduled tribes. The selection will be purely made on the merit based on the percentage of marks obtained by the candidates in their postgraduate examination. So after verification of applications from amongst the candidates whose applications are received through online mode on the designated portal of the UGC, and after the selection process, UGC will issue the list of the containing names of provisionally selected candidates. Okay, so actually NFOBC and NFSC selection is based upon the score whatever we got in the UGC NET examination. But for NFPWD, UGC NET examination they are not considering, only based upon the marks or the percentage they got in the postgraduate examination. Based upon that one, they are going to select the list. Okay, and the online applications can be filled on the web portal. So here the web portal is also given. The last date for receiving the online applications is 31st Jan 2022. Okay, so it is the official website for filling up of this application form, guys. Okay, so you may check down here the instruction, personal information, research information, if any other information are there, that one, and the declaration. Fine. So you need to total 5 steps are there. So you need to complete all these 5 steps to finish the registration process for this online application form for the fellowship. Okay, and here any student with disabilities who has been admitted to the MPhil or the PhD degree and pursuing research through regular and the full-time mode in a university or academic institution by completing the required formalities for admission in that university or academic institution is eligible for the fellowship. And the scheme covers all the universities, institutions recognized by the UGC, Government of India. Employees of any university or college or institution or central or state or UT government shall be excluded from availing the fellowship. Okay, even if they are on study leave or the extraordinary leave to pursue the MPhil or the PhD course. Okay, and the fellowship is payable for a maximum period of 5 years, and it commences from the 1st April 2021 or actual date of the admission or the registration of the candidate, whichever is later. Okay, and the duration of the fellowship and the payment of the fellowship you may check down. For MPhil 2 years will be there, for MPhil plus PhD 5 years will be there, and for only PhD 5 years, or else till the submission of PhD thesis, whichever is earlier. And the amount of fellowship also may check down. As a JRF 31,000 rupees per month initial 2 years, and the remaining 3 years the candidate will get the 35,000 rupees per month. Apart from this fellowship, the annual contingencies also available. So contingencies will be provided for the humanities, social sciences, including the arts and fine arts, 10,000 rupees per annum for first 2 years, and 20,500 rupees for the remaining 10 years. And the contingency for the science, engineering and technology, 12,000, 25,000 respectively for the JRF and SRF. So EdScots and reader assistance also will be provided, 2,000 rupees per month in case of candidates with physical and visual disabilities are there. and HRA is also provided as per the Government of India norms. So after the completion of 2 years, that is a JRF, then based upon the progress in the research work, the candidate will be promoted to the SRF. That will be, fellowship will be extended for the further period of 3 years. Okay. And while coming to the house rent allowance, suitable single seat hostel accommodation may be provided to the candidates in the institution itself. In such cases, the fellow is eligible to draw only hostel fee excluding the mess, electricity, water charges, etc. And a certificate to this effect has to be furnished. In case of non-availability of the hostel accommodation, then the fellow may be provided with a single accommodation by the host institution. Fine. Or else if the fellow is making his or her own arrangements, then he or she may be entitled to draw the HRA as per the categorization of cities by the Government of India. And medical as well as leaves, so Aadhaar seeding and the registration and transferring, cancellation of award, all these things are kept here. So the interested candidates may check down. And please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for the National Fellowship for PWD notification. Okay, the last date is 31st Jan 2022. So please share this video, guys. And to get the further notifications from the University Grants Commission, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET examination from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. So if you are interested, you may continue this video. Otherwise, you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Jai Hind. Yeah. Hi guys. Welcome to my channel. So myself, I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1, that is Teaching and Research Aptitude. So myself, I cleared the UGC NET as well as the GATE for the 2 times in Electronics and Communication subject. And in this video, I want to bring you one new batch course for the candidates who are preparing for the next NTA UGC NET exam cycle. So next cycle means as if right now in the month of November and December, NTA UGC NET is conducting the exam for the December 2020 as well as the June 2021 med cycle. Fine. And the next cycle is the December 2021. So Unacademy started the new batch course, guys, for the paper 1 as well as the paper 2. And the highlights of this course are online live classes you will get. And even though if you miss the live class due to your busy schedule, you can watch the recorded videos also. And you can download the class PDFs also, which will be very much helpful for your preparation purpose, or else to write the short notes purpose, or else the revision purpose. And the test series are also you can avail from this new batch course. And while coming to the official website of the Unacademy, so all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. So it is not only providing the paid courses, guys, it is providing the free online classes also. And you will get the free online classes on the 2 platforms. One is on Unacademy YouTube channel and one is on Unacademy app itself in the name of special classes. So here, NTA is conducting the UGC NET examination for a total 81 subjects, right? So out of the 81 subjects, Unacademy is providing the online courses, or else what you call paid courses. Okay, that is nothing but complete coaching for the subjects, okay, that you may explore what are the different subjects Unacademy is providing this UGC NET examination purpose. And coming to the list of the subjects, so general paper 1 teaching is common, that means teaching aptitude, that is paper 1 is common, that you will get in English language as well as the Hindi language. And coming to the remaining paper 2 subjects are commerce, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, sociology, labor welfare, and English and education, and geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, home science, environmental sciences, philosophy, mass communication and journalism, tourism, administration, management, Sanskrit, Punjabi, okay, and anthropology. So these are the different subjects that Unacademy is providing, guys. And while coming to the myself, as I told that I'm providing the subject that is electronic science. So it is my profile. So for both paper 1 as well as the electronic science, I am the Unacademy educator. So the information to the electronic science candidates, not only to the electronic science candidates, so whatever the subject I shown you right now. So if you want to take the subscription plan where the new batch courses are going to start, guys, okay, if you want to take the subscription plan for all this one, then you may click on this get subscription. As I told in the starting itself that you will get the free online class as well as the paid courses also. But under the subscription, you will get the complete in detailed syllabus as per the UGC syllabus, guys. And you may take the plus or the iconic subscription. So if you click on the plus, okay, these are the different subscription plans are there. So you may take 1 month or 3 months or 6 months or 12 or 24 months. Okay. And here the price are also mentioned. So for 1 month 3,190 and 3 months 6,875 like this. And whatever the current courses are running, they are maximum up to the 3 months, okay, or else beyond the 3 months. So the suggestible one is the 3 months or the 6 months of subscription plan, or else if you are preparing for the next other cycles, you may take more than 6 months also. And if you go to this one here, it mentions that have a referral code here. So here I am providing one referral code, guys, ASWINIK. Okay. So if you click on this referral code and apply, so whatever the plan you are going to take here, for example, if you want to take the 6 months of subscription plan, okay, and if you use my referral code, that is ASWINIK, then you will get the 10% discount. Okay, 10% off you will get on any one of the subscription plan. So previously I shown you whatever the subjects that is providing for the, providing by the Unacademy. So for any subjects you will get the 10% discount for the referral code, that is ASWINIK, and then click on the proceed to pay. Okay, and while coming to the electronic science and the paper one, okay, so the new batch course is going to start from November 3rd onwards. Okay, that means the day after yesterday, November 3rd onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys, can utilize the opportunity. So already the course schedule, everything is launched here. Fine. So you may check down in my profile link also. And after downloading the Unacademy app, you may click on, you may search by this name, okay, Ashwini Kumar Gadige. Then you will be directed to my profile link and you may check down, okay, the schedule of this upcoming batch course. Fine. And here the lot of previously the course taken students, the lot of the students are highly satisfied, guys. So you may check down the dedications also from the previous batch students, right? So, and you can also come on the free online classes also, that as I told that you will get on the Unacademy YouTube channel as well as on the special classes. So for example, before taking the subscription plan, if you want